Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make money on Opensea. Let's start and see what is Opensea. Opensea is a marketplace where you can make money from selling, buying, or flipping NFTs. Here's the concept of NFT. NFT means non-fungible token. These are non-interchangeable digital data which you can own. It can be anything like pictures, videos, audios, and other virtual items. Collecting can be done online since the whole thing runs on blockchain technology. Now back to the topic and discuss two ways to make money on Opensea. First one is create your own collection. Create NFTs of your own and sell specifically if you have audience who is willing to buy your NFTs. You may choose to list them with a specific amount or put them into auction. Second way is flipping. You can buy and flip the NFTs, the same concept as investing, since you will buy an NFT piece and sell it later when it's already worth more than the original price you bought it for. For example, an item has already been bought and sold at a higher price before. Now the current owner can still make money from this when the price goes high again. Flipping is currently where you can make the most money out. You just need to find out if there is any artist selling some of their items as NFTs which you can buy, as their price could go up in the future. That's how you can make money from NFTs through Opensea. Hope these methods are helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.